In this video, we receive a free gift from Inside Weather, but we were not paid to say anything we didn't want to. So we are still right in the middle of designing and building out our new studio apartment in Portland, Oregon. If you saw the last video, we talked about getting our new couch and getting a colored couch and how in past homes, I've always been very scared of color. But I decided to trust Sarah and try out some color and do more than just white and gray. So we got the blue couch, and I want to get a couple lounge chairs and then even some dining chairs, because I think we're gonna go with the dining table instead of desks in this spot. So I want those to match the couch and also introduce maybe some color, maybe, we'll see. But I found this company called Inside Weather, and you can actually custom design what colors of the different furniture types that they have. And I ordered some swatches of some colors that I liked and maybe want to try out and test next to the couch. So the first thing is, I know we're gonna get 2 lounge chairs and have to decide what color to actually get the lounge chairs in and what I feel like kind of matches the couch. So I kind of got some sea foamy blues and greens. This blue is very close to that blue, which I don't want them to be too matchy. So there's kind of these bluish colors, and they all look nice with this, but again, I think they're just too matchy. So then I have these pops. So we've got poppy orange, literally, sunflower, and then I got this vegan white leather. The colors I like, but honestly I'm kind of more feeling just the white leather and then getting a like blush pink or just one of these pops of color pillows to go on it.
I would be nervous that I'd get tired of yellow.
Yeah.
Versus if we have white leather, like you said, like I can do yellow pillows or whatever.
Right, yellow pillows, red pillows, pink pillows, whatever we want to do.
Plus I like the leather with the velvet, actually.
Yeah,
versus
the texture-wise.
The texture, yeah.
I think at this moment I'm feeling like going white and then adding some colorful pillows to the chairs. And then I also got some swatches for the dining room chairs, which come in different types of colors, and they even have a bunch of options for patterns and custom designs and things like that. I'm pretty positive that I'm going to go with a solid color for those chairs, but I wanted to get some patterns just to see what they look like, because you get 15 samples for free. So for the dining chairs, deciding between this Nordic pink and Nordic red, which is also a kind of a pinkish color.
Yeah, more like salmon, I would call it.
Yeah.
I do really like the pink, but I think I would be afraid that I would get tired of this pink as opposed to this red.
Okay, so I think that is decided.
Yep.
So I have a lot of things to build out, but it is feeling good finally getting some furniture in here, being able to sit down on not a mattress.
So nice.
But now that we are decided, we need to order the chairs, all the chairs. We need 6 chairs, 4 dining room table, 2 lounge.
Yes, because we want to make sure we have enough seating. That was one thing in our New York apartment that we couldn't have outside of the couch, obviously, was like other seating. So we really wanted to make sure we could fit in more seating here.
Now that furniture is getting in here though, it's starting to fill up the space and it's starting to make me nervous.
Yes.
I think everything's still gonna fit. I'm gonna order it and we will see.
Yep.
So the chairs that I found that I really like are from Inside Weather, and they have these Ace lounge chairs, and I really like the look of them, especially the light wood. And then the swatches we got are picking out what color cushions we want. So I can just change the upholstery to this white leather, like that. And then I also really like their dining chairs, specifically the Cody, the armless Cody, I guess the Cody side chairs. I just feel like they have a nice shape to them. I like the all black, it appeals to me, but I think with probably we're gonna get a white table, which the black would look great, but I want to stick to more light wood, and so I think I'm going to go with light wood and silver. Back. Okay, they are ordered. Now we just have to wait. So I think this is just the 4 dining tables, the lounge chairs haven't come in yet. All right, we got all the chairs put together. We do not have our dining room table yet, so there's that. But we do have a coffee table that turns into a dining table, so we can test it. Okay, so actually, while we were literally just filming this and talking, we had the idea that maybe we could just use this as our dining room table and get a different coffee table.
Because we won't need necessarily our coffee table to come up to dining room table height.
Other than I do like watching a video or something and eat lunch, and so I like to bring the table up to do that, but let's try it.
Let's see.
Alright, so we moved it over here. This is the basic idea. Couch over there, table over here. But now that we have this over here, one, we do think that a white table would look really nice. Secondly, this table is much wider than the table that we were planning on putting there. And so now there's not much room here or here. There is room for everybody to sit down, but whenever you're back here in the kitchen, you know, trying to do things back here, there's not a whole lot of room. So the table that we would be getting would only probably be about that wide, which would allow more breathing room around. So this gives us an idea of what it will look like, but I think we're still gonna get a different table to go there, so there's a little more floor space.
Also, now that there's actually a table there, I feel pretty good about it.
But now that the table is here, I can also test something that I wasn't for sure how exactly was gonna work out. If we get the table that we're looking at, it comes out to exactly where this one is at. And I need to bring the bed down and see if it fits. Oh yeah, nice. So it fits, and we still have a walkway, and when the bed is down, we're sleeping, so it doesn't really matter like how much room, floor space there is in the house. But I feel really good about how much walk space is here, so we don't have to do a shimmy. Even though the apartment was a little skinnier than what I had originally thought it was, everything's still working out so far. So a few days have passed. We've been enjoying our chairs. It's been nice to have places to work, but the new lounge chairs have arrived. They're at the door. Need to go get them. So as we've been building out the space and as I'm putting these chairs together, one thing that I've been kind of worried about is how big the chairs are and going to be in this space. So we'll put them together and we'll see. But luckily, Inside Weather has a 365-day in-home trial period. So if they end up being too big or they don't fit or whatever, we can always send them back. But I don't want to because this is beautiful.
I wasn't nervous at all. I thought Cody's overreacting. But they are quite a bit bigger than I anticipated.
So before we even put the second one together, see if we can even fit one nicely, and then we can decide from there. So we have to send them back, and I'm very bummed about it. But here is some shots of the chair as in memoriam to what it could have been. So since we have to send those chairs back, figure something else out to do. We did a bit of testing with our dining table chair to see if like another chair would fit in the space. And I think just one chair to the side will work well. And Inside Weather also has a chair they call the NOLA chair, which is a very much Eames inspired chair, which I really like. Get that in the white vegan leather instead of the lounge chair. I think it'll have the similar color scheme and vibe and have kind of that mid-century look. So not a bad plan B. And then since we aren't getting lounge chairs and getting just a side chair, that frees up a little bit of the budget. So I'm gonna upgrade the dining room table that we were going to get to the Tate dining room table from Inside Weather, and it has nice mid-century hairpin legs. We're gonna get a white top. I think it should all look really good. So now we just have to sit and wait for those things to arrive. Got this Ellie side table. Since we can't fit two chairs, decided we could fit one chair and one side table. And so with that, we now have all of our major furniture pieces in the apartment now, and I am very excited about how things are looking. I was obviously very apprehensive about the color in the beginning, but now that things are here and I can see them next to each other, I'm getting really excited to see how the space is going to end up. And in the next video, we're going to continue building out the space and hopefully getting all of the rest of the furniture we need, and also start getting things like up on the wall, start decorating, etc. So thank you guys for joining us on this journey, and we will see you in the next video.